Cheese. Did you see that? I said cheese and my iPhone took a picture. How do you do that? Well, stay tuned. iPhone tips and tricks coming up in this video. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, 2 really cool iPhone tips and tricks for you if you want to do something extra with your phone. So, how did I do that voice-controlled shutter button experience that you just witnessed in the intro? So, as you can see, my hands are way up here. No Bluetooth devices, and all I have to do is say, cheese, and my phone takes a picture. Now this can be done if you go over here to settings. In settings, you need to go to accessibility. From accessibility, you need to go to voice control and turn on voice control. Once you turn that on, you gotta go to customize commands. And in custom, you see I already have cheese set up. Let's just go and delete this command so I can show you how to set it up. I go create new command, and I add cheese. Then on the action, I need to go and say run custom command. Then I tap here in the middle, I go save, boom, save, and now my custom command is done. As you can see, if I go, there's my cheese, and you can see the little microphone up here. Once that appears, the voice command is on. Then I go into my camera and say cheese, and it takes a picture. It's that simple. All right, my next tip and trick, you can hide any application you want. You see, I have a weather app over here. I tap on it and it opens TikTok. How amazing. Let's see that again. Weather, it looks as the weather application. Boom, TikTok. How do you do this? Very, very simple. You need to go to your shortcuts. In shortcuts, you press the little plus button, go add action. Then up here on the search, open app. Once you did that, you say over here on choose to choose an application. You can choose any application you want. Let's go, for me now, I'm gonna go with a good old 9gag. Then over here on the 3 dots, you press on that and you say any kind of shortcut name. Let's call this 9gag2. And I'm gonna go add to home screen. And here you write the name of the app you want shown. So I'm gonna put weather and click on here, and you can choose the photo. So if you have it saved on your phone, choose photo. I have it in my files, so I'm going to choose file, and here is my weather application icon. Then you go add, done, and done. And now if I look, I have another weather application. I tap on it and 9gag opens up. I tap on this, it's TikTok. That's how you can hide any app on your phone or change the icons to it. Don't forget that there's an iPhone 12 Pro Max giveaway on this channel in February, so be sure to check out the video linked down in the description. And if you're there, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and until my next video, don't forget to stay safe and hang loose.